Hey guys, welcome back. Pepper Black 773. We're gonna make us a nice southern style pot roast. I just rinse this roast off. I dry off the top and the bottom. Get us a nice clean sear on here with some salt. And you know we have the black pepper. It's the star of our show. You can use one or two onions if you like. I got 5 red potatoes. I got some fresh thyme, salt, garlic powder, rosemary, a little bit of celery salt, some baby carrots, and olive oil to sear that. All right, guys, this is our cast iron skillet. As you can see, I got a nice color on there, a nice sear. You're gonna see that shortly after. I'm about to get to the vegetables, chop it up in the crock pot. Easy recipe. So I just added my fresh thyme, a little bit of rosemary and garlic powder with the onion. I'm gonna leave the top on this for about an hour and a half-ish. And then I'm gonna add my potatoes and carrots. Final product is on the way, man. Subscribe, Pepper Black 773. Please support. And I'm gonna show you the easy way of cooking. That is the final product, guys. Look at that. Nice and tender roast. Pot roast, easy recipe, crock pot style. And thanks for rocking with Pepper Black 773, guys. You want that good texture meat, some easy recipes, feed your family? Just let me know. Or check me out. Like, subscribe, comment. Just let me know what you would have done different, or if you like my recipe, or if you think we can do better. Thanks a lot, guys. I got some more stuff for you coming soon.